Welcome to Interior Mind. In today's video, we're going to be seeing about how to set a shelf with your modern coffee table. So let's go. So friends, you can try going on with a unique coffee table that gives you some elegant colors like gold, wood, or you can even try going on white or gray to give it a more of a unique look. You can try having flower vases to have a decoration or some candles too. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to Interior Mind and check out the description box so you can get the contact details, contact us and get your interiors done.